Welcome students in today's class. Today we have to see about lesson number 7, working with paint. Second part. In this practical we have to learn how to create a shapes. You can also refer your book of class 3rd and page number 70. You can refer page number 70 from your book. So students, in previous class we learned what are the components of paint, what is paint application, what are the components of paint, how to start the paint. These things we learned in previous practical. Now we have to learn creating shapes, how to create a shapes. Okay, the various shapes like rectangle, oval, triangle, line, polygon, rounded rectangle, etc. are available under the home ribbon. See, this home ribbon is available here. In this shapes group, you can see different types of shapes. See here. If you click on the drop down arrow of shapes group, then you can see here multiple shapes. See, it's a oval, it's a rectangle, pentagon, triangle, line, arrow, cloud, many arrows, many shapes are given here. Again, you can see more shapes by click on this scroll bar. By click on this drop down and up down arrows. Okay. If we want to insert or to draw a shape, for example, oval, just bring the cursor on the oval shape and click on it. अगर हमें ये oval shape ड्रॉ करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस पर कर्सर ले जाएंगे, ओवल शेप पर कर्सर ले जाएंगे. ये पॉइंटर दिख रहा है ना, माउस पॉइंटर ओवल शेप पे है. ठीक है, जैसे ही उस पर पॉइंटर हमने रखा, यहाँ नाम भी आ गया उस शेप का, देखो है ना, ओवल लिख कर आ गया. वाह. नाउ वी विल क्लिक ऑन दिस शेप एंड ड्रैग, क्लिक द and drag the mouse pointer on the screen. See. Now click the color one. We have to click on the color one because we want to change the border color of this oval shape. Okay, हमें ओवल शेप का बॉर्डर कलर चेंज करना है. बाय डिफॉल्ट कौन सा कलर दिया है, ब्लैक, और हमें दूसरा कलर लेना है तो हम कलर वन पे क्लिक करेंगे एंड वी विल सिलेक्ट एनी कलर, ग्रीन कलर फ्रॉम द colors group. We will select any color. This green color I selected here, green color. First you can select color and then drag the mouse or draw the shape, or you can draw the shape and after that you can select the color. Both the things have possible, but don't remove this selection. Okay, पहले shape selected होना चाहिए, तभी उसका line color और outside color change होगा. In this way we can draw the shape with different colors. We will try one more shape. I will select this triangle. Okay. Now I want to change the color of triangle with red. See here. Okay. And I will draw here triangle. See, outline or border color or line color of triangle is red. Okay. Now we have to learn how to coloring an image. हमने ये दो images यहाँ draw की है, इसे color कैसे करना है, we have to see now. The fill with color tool fills color in the closed image. See, it's a fill with color tool, and this tool is used to fill the color in the drawn or given image. But this image should be closed loop, मतलब ये कहीं से भी ओपन नहीं होना चाहिए. पूरी तरह से स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग पॉइंट एक दूसरे से अटैच होना चाहिए. मीन्स दिस नीड अ कंप्लीट शेप. Okay, then we can fill the color with this fill with color tool. So click on this fill with color tool. Select the color which you like. I will select this pink color and click on this oval or circle, one shape. See, this color, pink color is get filled in this shape. What we did, we first click on this fill color tool, fill with color tool, then select the color and just bring the cursor on the image and press left mouse button to fill the color. If we want to change, then we can change the color. Now selecting an image. If we want, before that we can fill the color in triangle also. What we will do? We will just click on fill with color icon. See here, fill with colors tool, and fill with color tool. Then we will select the color yellow color and click. Just bring the cursor on the image and press left mouse button to fill the color. लेफ्ट माउस बटन प्रेस करेंगे तो इसमें कलर फिल हो जाएगा. पहले कर्सर हमें ट्रायंगल के या उस शेप पे लाना पड़ेगा और माउस का लेफ्ट बटन प्रेस करना पड़ेगा, उसमें कलर फिल हो जाएगा. नाउ सिलेक्टिंग एन इमेज. अब हमने जो ये शेप ड्रॉ किया है, इसमें से अगर हमें कुछ पोर्शन कट करना हो, इसके लिए हमें उस शेप को सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. Selection tools are used to select the image. To select the image, we need selection tool. It is given in home ribbon in image group. We need to select an image if we want to make some modification to it. If we want to do some modification in this drawn figure, then we need to select this object or this shape. Okay, if we want to do the changes in this shape, then we need to select this shape first. Like copy, moving, resizing, etc. अगर हमें इस शेप की कॉपी बनानी है या फिर इसे मूव करना है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह या फिर रिसाइज करना है, then also we need to select this shape. MS Paint provides two types of selection tool. First, rectangular selection and free form selection. ये देखो, यहाँ होम रिबन में इमेज ग्रुप में सिलेक्ट का आइकन दिख रहा है, इसमें ये रेक्टेंगुलर सिलेक्शन दिख रहा है. अगर हम ड्रॉप डाउन एरो पे क्लिक करेंगे, जहां ये कर्सर ये पॉइंटर मूव हो रहा है, देखिए ड्रॉप डाउन एरो पे क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ दो टाइप का सिलेक्शन टूल हमें मिलता है. फर्स्ट, rectangular selection, second, free form selection. We will see both. To do selection, first click the drop down arrow. ठीक है, drop down arrow of selection or free form selection. First we have to click the drop down arrow of select option, and in this we have to select rectangular selection or free form selection. I will select this rectangular selection tool. Okay, press left mouse button on of mouse and drag the mouse over the area which you want to select. अब हमने क्या किया, रेक्टेंगुलर सिलेक्शन सिलेक्ट किया, रेक्टेंगुलर सिलेक्शन टूल सिलेक्ट किया. अब हम माउस पॉइंटर को इस ओवल शेप पे ड्रॉ करेंगे, ड्रैग करेंगे. सी लाइक दिस. ओके, if we want to select complete shape, then we can also select it completely. See, this half portion is cutted automatically. Click on select tab, then rectangular selection. Click here, select this image. We can copy this. Now release the mouse button once you are satisfied. अब हमने अपना सिलेक्शन कर लिया तो वैसे ही हम माउस बटन छोड़ देंगे. See, if I want to cut this portion of oval shape, then I will select this portion and just move the shape. This shape is cutted in two parts. See, like this. Now I want to copy this image. I want to copy any image. Then what I will do? I will first click on the selection tool. See, free from selection. I will select this free from selection. Copying an image. How to copy the image? We copy the image if we want to reuse an image. अगर हमें किसी इमेज का रीयूज करना है, जैसे ये कटेड सेमी सर्कल है, मुझे इसका रीयूज करना है, then what I will do? I will select this shape. I will select this image by using any one of the tool, that is rectangular selection or free form selection. इसमें से कोई भी एक टूल मैं सिलेक्ट करूंगी. With the help of this selected tool, I will select the image. I will select this free form selection. See, this portion I have to cut. Then I can increase this selection also. If I want to make copy, then just click on copy button. This copy button is given in clipboard group. See, here is a copy. Click on this copy button, copy icon. Click the paste button. A duplicate copy of the copied image will appear at the top left corner of the window. हमने क्या किया? पहले इमेज सिलेक्ट की, फिर यहाँ कॉपी ऑप्शन पे गए. होम रिबन में क्लिपबोर्ड ग्रुप में हमने कॉपी ऑप्शन पे क्लिक किया. अब हमें पेस्ट करना है, तो जैसे ही हम पेस्ट का बटन क्लिक करते हैं, यहाँ टॉप लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे आपको वो कॉपीड इमेज दिख जाएगी. Now, in this way, if we want to move this image, then we can just hold this selected image. We have to hold this selected image by pressing left mouse button. This 4 direction arrow will appear. Then hold this image and move from one place to another place. Okay, like this. Take the cursor over the duplicate image and drag it to the new position. Again, if we want to change the position, then take the cursor over the duplicate image and drag it to the new position. Where we want to arrange this shape, we can see like this. In this way, we can copy and paste an image. Now, moving an image. So, students, we will stop our practical here, and in next class, we will see the remaining practical. Thank you.